Genome Software. In this video we are going to understand the recovery days of concept. Okay, so master setup setting. Here what I have done is I have mentioned recovery days of Sunday and Monday. It means whenever I will be creating the loan, the dates will not fall for Sunday or Monday. Now this setting is here. So under category general, and then setting name is recovery days off. Okay, in case you want to have Sundays, no recovery on Sunday, so you can just say Sunday here. Okay, so for example I can modify this setting, just click and modify this setting to Sunday, so it means no recovery on Sunday. But just for an example, I want to keep Sunday, and instead of Monday I will keep it like, let's say, Tuesday. Okay, just for demo purpose. So no recovery for Sunday and Tuesday. Okay, I search customer, click loan, select specific scheme and configure manually. I enter 10,000. All right, and then I click save. Okay, loan number 70 is created. 70. Let's take a look of installment tracker. You can see I created today, that is on 29th, whereas the first installment is scheduled on 30th, because from the setting I kept the first installment to start on day 1. That is, if it's like 29th, it will start from next day. So I kept the setting as 1. Now here you can see 1st August. If you can just go in calendar, 1st August is Saturday, then 2nd, then on 3rd it will be there, and on 4th it will not be there. So on 2nd and 4th it will not be there. So on 2nd and 4th, okay, so it will not be there. So accordingly all the installments are adjusted accordingly, and your last date is going to be 16th, and hence it will be loan from 29, that is the disbursement date, till 16th December. Okay, now let's say if I change it to, here I kept the setting as 1, so I'll change this to 0, or in fact if setting is not required, if there is a default setting, you can just remove that setting. And recovery days off, I'll keep only Sundays. I update this. Let's search again. Loan. I configure manually 10,000 to, and let's say internal rate of return standard for 100. Now this is applicable only for daily collection. In case it's weekly collection or any other configuration, in that case you can definitely select a start date which is not a day off. Okay, so that you have flexibility to choose the installment start date, but whereas in daily collection that will not be possible, hence this concept is implemented only for daily collection. Okay, so I just click calculate and I click save. 71 is created. I search 71, loan number 71, installment tracker. Now started from 29th instead of 30th, because disbursed on 29th, so first installment on 29th, 30th, and then 2nd is not there. Okay, similarly you will see that 9th is not there, and likewise. So last installment is on 21st November, and here you will get 21st November as the last day. Okay, so for example, if I just select 1, 2, 3, 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, Now it will say next due on 103 on 3rd, that is not on 2nd.